We've been thinking today about what it takes for an effective end-user training rollout. Training of your users is an important part of your system. The system is not just the hardware and software, but it's that third factor, the people who are actually going to use the systems to run your business. It needs to be planned right from the very beginning. It needs to be an integral part of your project planning. And if possible, someone from learning and development should be part of your project governance structure with a seat at the project table. When you're thinking about your users, they need to be efficient and effective and engaged. And that's like a tripod. Unless you have all those three things in place, you run the risk of it falling over. Efficient, that they know the keystrokes that are going to drive your new system. Effective, that they're using that system to run your business the way you need it to be run. But possibly most important, engaged, that they buy in to what you're doing, that they know the what's in it for me, the user, what's in it for the business, and how it's going to make life better or simpler or faster or whatever the benefits is for you and for the business. You need to think about the mix of the people that you're training and how you will train them. So where are your people? What languages? What cultures are you training? What generations are you training? Because all those things will affect how you put together your blend and how you approach the training. Now it doesn't stop. When rollout happens and go live does and your project team disbands, that's where the training challenge really is just about getting underway. You need to make sure people are supported after the project team pack up and move on to the next one, so that they've got the tools they need for their day-to-day work and that they can gradually build themselves into a self-sustaining learning community. Final thing you need to think about, and you actually need to think about it very early, is how you measure success. When you get to the end of the project, how do you know what you're doing has been successful? And define those hard measures if you possibly can right at the beginning. Is it fewer support calls? Is it better cycle time? Is it fewer customer complaints? Think about what the success is going to be and build the measurement in right from the beginning, because if you don't, you can't measure it. So think about, plan early, plan often, iterate when you need to, and remember, keep your users engaged.